looking for a color camera that captures fast-moving objects accurately, introducing Econ Systems ECAM24CU NX, an AR0234 based color global shutter camera, a reliable solution for applications involving fast motion of objects. To give you some perspective, an application like license plate detection is often complex due to challenges like motion blur and lighting variations. Also, color information on plates helps to identify the registered location of a vehicle which cannot be captured using a monochrome camera. Understanding this, Econ Systems has designed ECAM24CU NX with capabilities to capture high quality color images of objects even during continuous motion. ECAM24CU NX is optimized with AR0234, a 1x2.6 inch 2 megapixel global shutter CMOS digital color image sensor that captures images at high frame rates up to 120 fps. This helps to reduce motion blur and produce smooth images with greater details of the scene. This camera has an inbuilt high-performance image signal processor that produces best-in-class video in uncompressed UI/VY format. Also, the camera uses MIPI CSI-2 interface to plug into NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX development kit. Both global shutter and high frame rate make it suitable for applications such as license plate recognition, automotive ADAS, robotic vision, drones, factory automation, gesture recognition, traffic monitoring, and barcode scanning. So, if you are looking for a color camera to capture fast-moving objects, then do have a look at ECAM24CU NX and evaluate it now.